Hey there, my fellow creators. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Steven, and in this video, I'm going to take you through Adobe Premiere Pro as fast as possible. But first, know that video editing takes years to master. But wait. You are in the right place. I'm going to make it easier for you guys. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. Okay, so when you open Premiere Pro for the first time, this is what you are going to see. So we are going just to create a new project. So we are going to click new project, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to name it beginner tutorial. And then after that, you can set the project location. For me, I'm going to leave it as default, and then click create. So this is your workspace, and in this workspace we've got panel 1, panel 2, panel 3 and panel 4. And if you click on any of these panels, you can see they are beautifully highlighted, showing you that this is the area that you are now working on. And don't worry, I'm going to take you through each and every panel, and I'm going to explain what they are used for. So starting with this one, as you can see, it's written import media to start. So this panel is where we are going to import the footages that we want to use to create a content with. And then if you look on the other side, it's written sequence. So this is where all the editing, all the cookings, all the magics are going to happen. And then on this other end, you can see here it's written program. So this is where we are going to be previewing all the edits that we are going to be editing. Like if we edit a new video from sequence, the results are going to be viewed on this place. So to make things easier, let's just import a footage. So I'll go to my media browser, and I've got some footages here for us to use. So I'm going to import all these to the media. Okay, so after importing the footage, we are going to create a sequence. So in order to create a sequence, there are so many ways to create a sequence. One, we can highlight all these footage and then right click, then new sequence from clip. Click that one. They will be automatically created on the sequence. Or the other way is you can just drag all of them to the sequence like this, and they'll automatically be created. Okay, so as you can see, we've just created a new sequence, and now we are going to start to do basic things as concerned by this tutorial. That is, we are going to cut unnecessary parts, and we are also going to add some transition, and lastly we are going to add music. So let's dive into it and start editing. So if we scroll this header, we can see the videos are playing smoothly, but you can see some videos are too long, others are short. Yeah, this one is long, a bit short. So what we're going to do, we are going to do cutting. Before we start the cuttings, I'm just going to add the music track so that we match the transitions with the beat drop. So I'm just going to my media browser and drag this music track to my timeline. By the way, as you can see on this timeline, this sequence, you can see all these ones are named video. Like this is video track 1, video track 2, video track 3. I'm also going to teach you on how you can add others here. And here we have the audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, and so on. Okay, so let's play the track so that we can see how we can do the cutting of the footages. Let's play. I can see after each and every drop we can do the cutting. So if you want to do the cutting, come to this side and you see this razor blade. This is a razor, so just click on it, or you can click C. Then as you can see, it will automatically change. Then just click it where you want to do the cutting. So I would like it here, so I'll just click. It will automatically cut the video. And if you want to go back to this selecting tool, you can see it's V. Just press V, it will change. So since we've already cut the video, it means that on this this other part of the video is the trash. We don't need it anymore, so we are going to delete it. Just press delete on your keyboard and it will be gone. Boom. But now if you play this video, there's this blank space. We don't want this blank space here. So in order to eliminate this, just click on this blank space and then press backspace or delete. Backspace, and then it will be filled up. Just as simple as that. Okay, so let's move on by editing. That is also another area that I want to add the transition, so I'll just press C and do it. Cut it there. This other part is a trash. Press V to go back to the selection tool, and then press this trash that I don't want to need anymore. Press delete, press backspace. Okay, so I would like you to go all through these steps. Okay, so after playing around with the music, doing the cuttings, this is what I finally came up with. So we want to add transition. So in order to add transition, we will still come to this panel here. This panel, everything is here. So on this panel, as you can see, if you click on this, I don't know how to call it. don't mind. You can see all these things, but what we need here is only the effect. So we are going to remove all these other things, because what we need here mostly is effects and the project. So in order to remove all this shit like media browser, library, info, markers, history, you can see they are here. So just click on it and then click on this what do we call this? I don't know. Click on it, click close panel. Yeah, like that. Just remove anything that you don't need on this panel. I want it to remain with effects only to make our work easier. Yeah, history, I'm going to remove this one. So we only remain with the project and the effects. So this is where we are going to drag and drop all the effects, guys. And you can see Premiere Pro has got everything you need, like audio effects, audio transitions, video effects, video transitions, everything is here. So at this time we are going to focus on the video transition. So just click this. You can see it has got so many transitions. We are going to start with the dissolve one, and today we are going to use deep to black transition. And we can't just add transition when we have this timeline like this, so we can expand this timeline to be too long. Just do like this. You can drag this one the way you want and expand it. Yeah, so we are going to drag and drop. So just click on it, drag it to where you want the transition to start. Yeah, so if I play this one, let's see how the transition is going to work. Okay, so you can even customize this transition the way you want. Just double click on it. If you see that this duration is too long for you, let's see, like it takes too long, just double click on it and you can set your own duration here, or you can just play around with it. You can just drag it like this. Yeah, the way you want. So play around with it. I think that's okay. Just add all of them. Yeah, like this, yeah, and you can just do it the way you want. You are allowed to customize it the way you want. Okay, now let's see the final thing we come up with. So guys, we came up with the final thing, but you can see it's not yet over. Like you can see this one is too long, and the music will still continue playing even at the end of the video. You can see, but we don't want that one to happen. Yeah, so what we are going to do, let's just cut the video from here. Let's say we want to end it here, so I'm going to press C, do the cutting, and also do the cutting from the music, and I'll press V, back to selection tool, and I'm going to select all of these ones, then press delete. So I want this music to end smoothly. Look, it just ends abruptly. What we can do, You see, come on this side, and then I want you to drag this one like this. Drag it like, and now we can see the music waveforms. And wondering what this line is, this is the volume. Now you can use this to customize the volume of the music, how loudness it is. So we are going to add what we call keyframes. So in order to add a keyframe, let's say we want the music to start slowing down from this point. Just click Control. You can see this plus sign comes here, and then click. Yeah, you've added a keyframe there. And now we want to that music to slow down at this point, so that the volume can be lower. So we're going to add another keyframe here. After adding another keyframe there, just drag it down, okay? And as you can see, the volume is going down. Now if I play, you can see the volume has been decreased. That is simply the end of today's tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you, in case you didn't understand anything, maybe I was too fast, you can comment down below there, so that next time I can make it even better for you guys. My aim here is to move on with you, make you understand how to use Adobe Premiere Pro and become professionals. And in this channel, we are going to cover all creativity. As time goes, we are going to do VFX using After Effects. So this is the best channel for you. I'm gonna make it step by step for you to learn. See you in the next one.